lose weight, but I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all. Yeah.
Hey, what's good? What's your poppin' with you? You already know what's going on in this video. So we just gonna get right into it, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, cause I will be posting every week. So just stay tuned, and that's on period. So all I did was actually section off my hair, and then add conditioner and just twisted it. But if you need any more like into detail, comment down below, but I'm gonna still get into detail in this video. But yeah, I actually detangled my hair with a comb and a brush, but you will see that in the video. I parted it. I didn't actually do like a real good nice part because I didn't have to, because once I did the conditioner and brushed it and did the twist, it will frizz up and get all curly. So that's what I did. You see these curls though, you see them, they popping, I know. So I twisted my hair. I actually just sectioned off everything by hand, but I detangle it with a brush and a comb, and I twisted it. Basically all you need in this to do this little hairstyle thing is a brush, a comb, and conditioner, and you gotta know how to twist. So yeah, you're gonna see the end result at the end when I take them out to show the curls, but just stay tuned. So basically I separated it and I started twisting it. I added the conditioner and combed it and brushed it out before I separated and twisted it, and that's just about it. I can't get into no more details because that's all I was doing. So if you don't know how to twist, you take two pieces of hair and just twist it around each other. That's all. But that's all I was doing. So wait to the end result, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and turn on that notification button because I will be posting, and that's on period.
30 hertz straight up.
Okay, don't mind me when I make funny faces, because I be looking at myself and I like to make myself laugh. So yeah, if you see that in the video, just mind your business and keep it going. Keep watching, period. Okay, now my face is just out of control. That thing was hurting when I was combing it out. All that stuff came out because I had glue in my hair. So yeah, that's why I was looking like that. But just keep watching. I'm always almost to the end, so that's just on period.
Purchase your tracks.
This is actually after I finish all the twists. What I'm doing is, after I'm finished, I actually left the twist in and took washed it out, all the conditioner, and then I'm gonna blow dry it, so you gonna see that. But that's what I'm doing. I actually let it sit for like an hour or two, and then I washed all the conditioner and stuff out, and I blow dried it. So mind you, I told y'all to leave me alone with my faces now. Okay, I just hurry up and stuttered like crazy, so please don't come for me. I'm trying to process stuff. I'm halfway asleep. I did not get no sleep, so please don't come for me, period.
Extra day.
This is after I took the twisters out, and I actually took the comb and went from the roots, but I didn't all the way comb it out. I tried to scratch it. So yeah. And then I tried to design it and stuff. My twisters was everywhere, so I started separating the twisters, the big chunks of twisters, and then doing it. Now I know you see them curls, they look so cute. If I just put some gel on it, but I ain't want to put gel, so yeah, but they looking cute though. I decided to put it in a ponytail at the last minute. I don't know why, but I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and don't forget to turn on the notification button, because I will be posting every week, and that's just on period.